I hope that you're fine and doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to build your USB stick Windows 10 operating system installation. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what you need to get is an USB stick with at least 7 or 8 gigabytes. I already plugged mine, so here it is, the G. So we need to format it first. Mine is already formatted, so what you have to do is just to right click on it and click format. Leave it that way, FAT32. Just tick this one, checkbox, quick format, and click start. Click OK. It will take a few seconds and it will format it. Okay, format complete, and then close it. Okay, and then there is two ways actually to build your USB stick. So the first one is to go to this URL, Microsoft web page, and use the official media creator tool. This one. I'll put the URL, the link into the description below. So click here, download tool now. And click on open. Once you click it in open file, you'll get this pop-up. It will take a little bit of time. I'll speed up the video. Okay, so now we are in this step. We have to click into accept here. The same, it will take a little bit of time. I'll speed up again the video. Okay, so here we are. You have now two choices. This one is for the users who have Windows 7 and want to upgrade to Windows 10. So it's not our case. So we have to choose this one: create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file. And you have to choose this one and click on next. Okay, and now you have to choose your local language. Just untick this checkbox, and you could choose whatever language you want. You have Dutch, you have Spanish, French, Portuguese, Polish, Turkish, whatever, Arabic or Chinese, whatever you want. So for our case, I'll leave it in English UK, and yeah, leave it Windows 10, 64 bits, and yeah, click on next. So here we have two options. We have the two ways here. So the first one is the easiest way. So you just need to plug in your flash drive or USB stick into your USB port and click next. It will start doing all the preparation and the build of the USB stick automatically. You don't have to do anything. Or else, if you want just to download the ISO and to deploy it using third-party tools such as Rufus or other tools, you just need to take ISO file and click next. It will download. It will ask you for the location where you want to put the ISO file, and then it will download it, and you could do after that. This is our second method. I will show you later on. So we'll do this one, the first method. Yeah, so just need to tick USB flash drive and click next. Just need to be sure that the flash drive is plugged in your computer in the USB port. and on our case it's the G. So the USB flash drive is in the letter G. So just need to select your partition of the flash drive, and then click on next. It will start do all the things automatically. So yeah, just leave it. It will take about 40-45 minutes to do all the necessary. For the first step will be downloading the ISO of the operating system. So this will depend on your internet broadband. If you have a high internet broadband, it will take about 10 minutes approximately. Like me, I have 1 gigabyte per second, so yeah, it will take maybe less. But for the uploading to the USB flash drive, depending on which flash drive you have 3.0, if you have 2.0, USB-C, etc. So on my side, it will take about 40-45 minutes in total. So yeah, I'll jump to the end of the deployment, and yeah, we'll see you later.
Few moments later.
Okay, it's almost finished. So we'll wait a few seconds. Okay, done. So yeah, now it's ready. So congratulations. Now you know the first method on how to create your USB stick Windows 10 installation. Okay, so just need to click finish. It will do the cleanup, and that's it. You could now just we have it here. It's a G. Just need to do the eject. When you do the eject, you could remove the USB stick from the USB port, and yeah, just put it on your computer in order to run the installation. Okay, so now we will do the second way, which is the downloading of the ISO into the your hard drive locally, and then we'll use a third-party tool in order to deploy it into the USB stick. Let's get started. Okay, so now we will do the same. It will be the same steps. Okay, we'll go to download here. We'll run media creation tool again. Okay, so in the first way we chose the USB flash drive option method. So option. So for this time we'll choose ISO file. So we will download the ISO file into our local hard drive, and then we will deploy it. So yeah, let's get started. So we next. Now it will ask you the location when you wanna store the ISO file. Yeah, so I will leave it here in the D partition. So just choose the path where you wanna store the ISO file and click on save. That's it. Okay. Okay, perfect. So it will be the same as the first way. It will download the ISO and it will prepare it after the downloading. It will be more or less the same duration, so it will be approximately between half an hour and 40 minutes to get the ISO file into your local drive if you have good broadband, of course. Um, and yeah, so I'll cut the video and I will see you at the end of the downloading.
Few moments later.
Okay, here we are. So the ISO has been downloaded and it has been put it into the D partitions, in the source of the D partition. You get like here a burn to the ISO or to the DVD or USB sticks. So yeah, just click on finish. Wait a few seconds. Perfect. So it's done now. So we should have the ISO file into our local drive. We'll see the DVD here. So here it is. I have two others ISO. So for now we are interested of this one. Okay. So now how to now the actually the advantage of this way is that you will keep the ISO file into your hard drive. So next time if you wanna burn it or prepare a USB stick, you don't have to do the first step that we done with the Microsoft tool. So for to prepare your USB stick, I recommend to use Rufus. For me, it's the best tool for this kind of job. Yeah, just to run your internet browser, go to the Rufus website. Here it is. I'll put the same. I will put the URL into the description below. So now what you have to do just to download the application, the software here. You have the portable version. The advantage of this portable version is that you don't have to install it. But this one is the package. It's in an installable package. So yeah, we'll download this one and we will run it. Yeah, open. Just click on open here. It will start. It will download it and run it. Okay, so you have the pop-up here. Do you want to allow Rufus to check for the online update? Yeah, just click on yes in order to update it automatically. Okay, perfect. So here we are. So we do have the application, the Rufus application. I'll reduce this one. Okay, um, so what you need to do is so now we have the USB stick already selected. So what you have to do is just to click on select, go to the path where you saved your ISO file. So in our case it's Windows.ISO. Okay, that's all is fine now. So yeah, quick format is checked. So all what you have to do is to click on start. So the most important thing is to select the correct partition. You select the correct ISO that you want to burn, and this one, the quick format checkbox, need to be ticked. After that, just need to click on start and leave the job and click on OK here and leave it to the job. Yeah, it will format the USB stick and we'll prepare the USB stick for with the Windows operating system installation. Yeah, so I'll jump into the end of the deployment, and yeah, so see you later.
Few moments later.
Okay, stay tuned. And it's done. So we finished with the second way to build your Windows 10 USB stick. So yeah, just need to click to close, and yeah, if we go to this PC, you will get the USB stick or the flash drive already set up and ready to use. So we just need to boot as the first way. Just need to boot up with this USB stick, and it will start installing the operating system. Yeah, so as I said, I'll do another video shortly showing you how to use this flash drive in order to deploy your copy of Windows 10 operating system. Yeah, so now we just need to right click on it and click on eject. That's it. So now we can remove it safely without in order to not avoid any damage of the USB stick. Yeah, so we were done with this video. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, so we'll see you on next video. Take care of yourself and peace on you. Salam.